So the first step is to simply go to your settings, and then you're gonna have to simply tap on your name at the top, then simply scroll down and tap on sign out. Now after you do that, you're gonna have to simply open any browser. I suggest you to open Safari, and then you're gonna have to go to privacy.apple.com. Now once you go here, you're gonna be able to log in into your iCloud account. So you're gonna have to do that in order to delete it, and then scroll down and tap on request to delete your account. Now once you do that, you're gonna get redirected to another page. So we're gonna have to simply wait until this loads up, and then we're gonna be able to scroll down and then simply choose a reason. Now after you do that, you're gonna have to tap on continue, enter your password, and that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.